I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be making some mussels. Now it's very important with mussels to make sure that they are alive. Now as you can see, these are a little bit open, but when I tap on them they start to close, and one of the reasons they do that is because they think I'm a seagull. See? Now if they, any mussel that kind of stays open, this one may not be quite as fresh. In fact, no, can you see it's broken here? So this one we won't put in. Anything that's broken or crushed, you don't want to put in. But these are all in pretty good shape. So now with mussels, they're a live thing. So it's really important that they're not dead. So in all of these, if some of these are tight shut and they don't open after I've cooked them, don't eat them. They won't affect the rest of the food that you're eating, but it's better to leave them out. So let's get cooking with these. I'm going to leave those there because it's cooler. So I'm going to put in some olive oil. Mussels are, this is like Moules Mariniere. It's so easy to make. It's really kind of stupid really with mussels. Is that when you buy them from the store, do not seal the bag that they're in. You'll find that the fishmonger will always leave the bag a little bit open, and you should leave it that way because they need to breathe, they're alive. Chopped onion. Now I'm going to put in some sliced garlic. Okay, now I'm going to put in some chopped tomatoes. These are just cherry tomatoes. And this is all going on at a high heat. Now obviously you can tell as soon as I put those cherry tomatoes in, things cooled down because they have a lot of liquid in them. That's not going to last too long. And I'm going to put in the wine. I'm going to bring that to a boil. Whoa, whoops. Hot on the sides. Now the mussels have already been cleaned. Sometimes along the seam here you can find like a little bit of seaweed almost. You can pull that off with a knife. Just cut that off with a knife. Now I want this to be really hot when I put the mussels in. And I'm going to also put now a little handful of garlic in here. Not garlic, of parsley, sorry. Put the rest in at the end. So when they cook, they're going to give off a whole lot, their own really yummy juice. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm going to put the lid on. And then what you have to do, it's a bit noisy, ow, and hot, is kind of shake the pan. Putting the lid on top builds up the steam, which will help them cook quicker. Okay, I'm now going to put the rest of the parsley in. I'll just leave them to cook for about 5 minutes and they'll all be completely done.